The tiger with the most hunger out there is none other than Tom O'Brien. And that hunger, it brings about success. It brings about all kinds of great things for each of us out there. And the great thing, the latest thing, is the TFNN virtual trading competition where Tom has put together a program where we're going to be giving away he's going to be giving away $10,000 in cash. So let's go out to our man Tom O'Brien, who is fresh in from flying in from Denver. Wow. Thomas, how you doing?
What's happening, man? How you doing?
Doing great. You are the king of the jungle.
Oh, man, I'm telling you. It took me 2 days to get back from Denver, folks. This is, like, amazing. Anyway, that's a whole different story. But I'm home. I'm psyched, no doubt. And, listen, thanks for doing the show. Really appreciate it.
Oh, no problem. Always my pleasure.
And we get a monster ABC down on the S&Ps. So
yes.
the tiger and the bear is here. But, you know, as Steve was saying, folks, okay, we have a virtual trading competition that is going on. If you come over to our website at TFNN, you're going to see it right on the front page. We're giving away $10,000 in cash. You have to register now. That's the bottom line. You can register up until September 5th. Check it out on the front page, folks. There's going to be a lot of winners. We're really excited about it, and it's going to be a full week of trading. And yeah, I mean, it's going to be wild.
You know, when
man.
we talked last week, you know, and I'm fortunate enough to spend time with Tom and the excitement as he was putting together this program, folks. You know, you could just hear the excitement and the ability to be able to roll out a program like this. I mean, you're talking about 70 different winners that are out there. You know, people getting cash every day. You know, five folks, whether they are in a winning trade or a losing trade or what have you. And, you know, such a great opportunity. And it's easy for folks to sign up. It takes all of about 15 or 20 seconds.
Right. And, you know what's so cool, too, Steve, is that we have volatility in the marketplace, folks. You know, it's going to be in 2 weeks from now, but you have to sign up a week from this Thursday. So you have to sign up right now. That's the bottom line. Because when it's going on, you're not going to be able to sign up.
Yes.
And, of course, what ends up happening is that inside that Nadex platform, you're going to be able to trade whether it's the indices, whether it's commodities, whether it's currencies, okay? And, of course, we do 9 hours of live programming at TFNN every day. So we'll be out there, you know, we can't trade, but we certainly can line up trades for you, folks. That's the bottom line, so.
Yeah, and by that time, you know, so we're coming back September 9th, so a couple of weeks from today. When the actual trading live,
yes,
you know, start the trading program out there, and so you know maybe we start to see some volume really come back into the market.
Oh, we're going to see volume on the way down. You know, listen, this is wicked. So and you know, folks, I'm telling you, these airlines. A quick story. So check this out. I'm leaving Denver yesterday morning.
Yes.
I have a nonstop. Like 7 o'clock in the morning, supposed to get back at like 2 in the afternoon. 2:50, it would have been beautiful, right? No problem. Bottom line, security is like mob beyond belief, right? So over an hour through security. But what really ended up happening is that the plane was sold out, so they basically got away from the gate 10, 15 minutes early, sent it out, and then listen to this.
Without you on it?
Yeah. And listen to this. After I checked in way before that, okay? But check this out. There was a bunch of us that weren't on it. This was United, okay? So check this out. So what happened, though, this is amazing. There wasn't one connection flight I could get. I says, get me to Orlando, get me to Tampa, get me anywhere. Every single flight was sold out. Every single one of them.
Wow.
So then I got on the first flight this morning, but this gets even crazier. So I get on the first flight this morning. I'm up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and I stay at the airport. Yes. The flight's supposed to leave at 6. What ends up happening is that they were doing the carpets last night or something, right? They didn't dry, so that airplane couldn't go. So, listen to this. That airplane couldn't go. So I'm sitting in the airplane. I said, I can't believe this, right? So they put us on another airline. Of course, the other airline, that misses the connection. Bottom line, I'm home safe. And I'm so elated being home. Oh, my God. My travel's done for at least a month, which I'm psyched.
Okay.
Isn't that sick, though?
It is. It is. You know, I mean, it's just one of those things that you've got to put. It's not, you know, it's not like the old days in flying. That's for sure.
No, and if you know, folks in Tampa, we get an amazing airport. You know, you get into Tampa an hour early, you're all set. What I'm finding is that you better get to other airports like 2 hours early. You know.
Yes.
Anyway, it's great to be home.
So, no, that's great, and you know, and we got things kicked off here for the for the trading competition. So that's going to be very cool out here. So if we take a look at the markets here, if you get a chance just to look and check in, see what.
Yeah.
Okay.
Listen,
okay.
And bottom line is an ABC down. What you had here is that, if we just look at the SPY, what you had with the SPY is that bottom line, you got into a price point today of 167.30, couldn't hold it. You did 89 million shares. 89 million was going against 152. And, you get that B point down there, man. The SPY wants to run down to 158. The S&P wants to run down to that 1588,
Yeah, if this is the C point, if it is, it's going to be more than a 1-to-1 A to B equals CD.
No, I agree. Yeah, It wants the cash S&P 1560 is kind of written there, And then what we had on Friday, bonds came off the bottom with conviction. You had the wide price spread, accelerated volume. You had the whole ball of wax going there.
Yeah.
So.
Well, we also had gold and silver moving.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, they're going to still need more. So if we look at that gold contract, see it died in the vine out here. 100,000 contracts, that needs about 300. And if we look at the GLD, what you had with the GLD is that I believe we did 11 million versus 17. Let me just see this. So, Friday we did 11.6 versus the 17. It took the swing point out. Today you only did 7, and you're going against 93. So that's saying to me that that move is that's the end of that move. So it's just enough to suck people in, though. So
yeah, definitely not something to be chasing here.
No, but what I expect you're going to see there, folks. I mean, you want to be in that market. The next pullback, I expect that on light volume, it's going to build cause, and it wants to go, man. We did one nice A to B equals C to D off that bottom with conviction. I expect you're going to see another one too. So I mean, we're coming into the perfect time, for this some good 4, 5, 6, 7 months of really sweet trading. And that's, of course, for trader folks, that's high volatility. And for investors, yes, it's going to drive you crazy. So,
look, thanks for all the hunger and drive that you've got, and bringing this program, really, being the leader that you are, being the tiger that you are, and bringing this program. So folks, get over tonight, sign up for the virtual trading competition, $10,000 in cash awards that Thomas here is going to be giving up. Hey, good to hear from you.
You too, man. Thanks so much. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Thanks, Steve. Really appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Look forward to speaking tomorrow, folks. Wow! Go get 'em.